Thousands of homes in Canterbury have concrete floor foundations. Housing New Zealand is helping to find solutions for these houses that are also on TC2 or TC3 land. This house is in the Christchurch suburb of Aranui. It is on TC3 land and has a concrete floor foundation. It has an additional problem because of a high water table, which means that the geotechnical and structural engineers have had to find a different solution to the traditional method of jacking from under the foundation. The house is only 7 years old. It is a 2-bedroom unit and it is dropped by 45 millimetres in one corner. This means it has to be raised on 2 sides to get it back to the correct level whilst keeping the brick veneer in place. The engineers have developed a unique solution to deal with the high water table. They have raised the concrete jacking pads above the water table and bolted metal brackets to the side of the concrete foundation along 2 sides of the house at intervals specified by the engineer. Jacks have been placed under the brackets on 8 pads. The team swings into gear very quickly. While they manually raise the side of the house using the jacks, someone else is checking the levels inside using a laser level. It is a carefully planned approach to make sure the brick veneer is not damaged in the process. H4 timber piles are fitted under the foundation so that the jacks can be removed. Before removing the jacks, final adjustments of levels is completed by using panel shim packers. The shims are the same as the ones that have been used for jacking and packing other houses and are made out of UV stabilised PVC, which can take a 20-ton load. When the house has reached its correct level, the team move their focus to a crack in the floor slab. The concrete floor has pulled apart between the garage and the house. This has compromised the floor slab reinforcing. This 15mm crack has also cracked the foundation and pulled the brick veneer apart on the outside of the house. Again, engineering ingenuity has produced a solution which they have described as a stitching method. Slots in the floor slab are ground out. A reinforcing bar is placed in the slot and epoxied in place. This reinforces and joins the cracked slab together. Once this stage is completed, the original crack is epoxied together. The house is now ready for internal repairs ahead of new tenants coming in.